Hey, it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to send message button to a Facebook post. Now this is pretty easy and this is what you need to do. It works for both iPhone and Android. Before we begin, please subscribe to the channel. So open up your Facebook, click on the menu on the bottom right, and where you see it says 6 for me, click on that arrow thingy and click on your page. Once you have entered the page, you want to click on what's on your mind. Then we can type in whatever, but let's say what do you want to buy. Now if I expand this, you can see it says get message, and from here I can change the image of this initial photo. So I don't know what's wrong, it's a bit of a bug, but if you just click on next, if you click on post, now the post has been made. Let's go to the page, and as you can see, the post is made and they can send a message to you, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Also, if you're having some issues, let me know what was the problem and I'll do my best to help you out.